Emma, look what came. The mask that we've been waiting for. Can you please do your magic trick that you do?
I can try.
You don't try. You do a really good job. You have to show everybody out there in TikTok world and YouTube world how you do it, so it doesn't sit there make you look like an idiot when you're wearing one of those masks and it doesn't do anything.
Alright, guys. So, when you put a mask on, you put it on like this, right?
And it looks stupid and does nothing.
And you put it on your nose. But crap can still get in here. Like germs and whatnot can still get in these little parts here. So, I take the mask off and I put these two corners together like that, and I grab the string and I twist it around my fingers and tie a knot in it. Then, after I've tied the knot in it, I grab the knot and get my fingers out and I pull the knot all the way down so it looks like this. And then I'll just do the same on the other side quickly.
This makes it so much more comfortable to wear as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, when you do this, 1, no germs can get in. 2, it's so much easier to breathe. And 3, it sits on your face better and it doesn't fog your glasses up when you wear it like this.
I'm going to include, while you're doing that, I'm going to include an Amazon link. It's an affiliate link because you can get free shipping with it. Don't have to have Prime. And they're going up in price already.
There's the other side. And then all I do is, because you can still see there's a hole here, all I do is flip it this way and then I push the mask, it's a bit hard to see with this, I push the mask up and through and then pin it back here like this, and then
looks like a little boat.
yeah, in the end it does end up looking like a little
it's
boat.
so cute. It works so much better.
Don't know if they would float though, probably not.
No, they're
Pretty bad for the environment,
No,
but
they're
at
not
the
out.
moment they're keeping us safe, so that's all I care about.
That is true.
And you
right?
flip it and do the other side. And now, once you're done, it should look like this and you have no holes. So now, you just stick it on your face like this. Hang on 1 little second.
She normally does it really quickly, don't you?
And then you stick it on your face like this. Put your ears in. And then look. So much easier to breathe. You pinch it on your nose. So much easier to breathe.
Look on the
Doesn't
side.
sit on your face. Like, doesn't sit on your mouth.
Yeah, do your sides now. There's no gaps at
There's
all.
no gaps at all.
So much more comfortable.
And it doesn't sit right against your lips, so you can still breathe through it.
And you
Just
can
really
talk.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Thanks,
Alright,
Emma.
bye.
Appreciate it.